Today, you are looking for a scalp scratch and hair oil. Okay, your hair's been a little dry and itchy. Okay, I will do that. I will do that for you. So let me just look at your hair. Your hair is beautiful, by the way. I love the curl pattern. And your hair is really thick too. I really love it. Okay, so yeah, I see that your hair is dry. And let's check out your scalp. Yeah, your scalp is dry too. So I'm definitely going to work on both of these things. Definitely. Okay, so yeah, let's just scratch your scalp a little bit. Give you some immediate relief so that I can apply the oil and you'll be just fine. Okay. I'm going to start in the front area. And let's do the sides a little bit. Good. Yeah, I'm glad you came back. You were here before. You were here a few weeks ago, right? Good. Yes, I'll give you a trim as well. Sounds good. And we're doing the back of your head. Okay. Alright. So, let's look at your strands. What I'll do is use a hairspray for your actual hair. And then I'll use the oil with the applicator tip for your scalp. Sounds good. Okay, so I have the water bottle. I'm just going to spray the solution on your hair. And then we'll move on to your scalp. Sounds good. Okay. Just spray it all over your hair. Good. Okay, so now I'm going to work on your scalp, and I have my hair oil here. So, yes, it smells good. You can smell it already. It's all type of natural botanicals, oils, rose oil. You have peppermint oil. So, yes. So I just gotta mix it up a little bit. Make sure that everything is all good. Okay. Let's apply this to your scalp. your scalp. Hitting the sides. And getting the back. Good. Yeah, really get that in your scalp. So I just want to make sure everything is really good. That feels good. Good. Okay. Alright, perfect. So now you need just a small trim and you will be all set. So let's see here. Alright. Alright. Well, you are all set. So I hope you enjoyed this session, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.